What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing a makeup unboxing of some items that I recently purchased to, build up my makeup kit. As I said in the previous video, I am an aspiring makeup artist, so I'll be showing you guys what all I got. Okay, so first up we have the black Opal True Color foundation sticks, cream foundation sticks. I've been seeing these foundation in almost every makeup artist kit, so I decided to pick them up also, just to start out with. I really love the color range and the texture of the foundation, and I can't wait to play with these. Okay, so next we have the James Charles Morphe palette. Oh my god, this palette is so pretty. When I say pigment, it's pigment. Like, there's not one color in here that's not pigment. I recently wore this like I say for the first time like a couple weeks ago, and oh my god, I barely needed primer. It was just so pigmented. So he definitely did a great job with this palette. Right here, I'm showing you guys the new e.l.f. concealers. This one right here that I'm showing you right now is in Deep Cinnamon, and the other one will be in Rich Ebony. And as you'll see in this clip in a few minutes, how pigmented these concealers are and how creamy. I swatched it on my arm. When I say it was very hydrating, it wasn't drying under the eyes, so it's gonna be perfect to use under my eyes and to also do like slightly contour. I don't use the contour, I usually like just bronze on my face, but I might try this out also. Okay, so in this clip, you will see the spatula and the metal plate that I'm using to mix up my foundation. It's very good to have one of these for sanitation reasons. And also it shows you, it helps you to mix up the colors without double dipping. So, and these spatulas are used to, also sanitation reasons, to dip in foundations without crossing them up. So they're definitely good to have in your kit. And right here is just something that I can use to depot my foundations in. Say I don't want to carry around a whole bunch of foundation with me, I can easily put them in those little things right there. And oh my god, I couldn't wait to get this right here. This is the iMagic. Oh my god, I went color. The iMagic Flash Palette. It's kind of like if you've seen the Makeup Forever Flash Palette, which is like $100. Well, I found this one on Amazon for like $17. They're pretty much the same, but this one is way cheaper. So y'all check it out if y'all like the Makeup Forever Flash Palette. Okay, you guys, right here I have the MAC Pro Palette in large. And like I said previously, I'll be using this to depot foundations and kind of like, break them down. I don't want to really be carrying around a whole bunch of foundation sticks. So this will help me to like minimize the bulk, but also have what I need in my kit. So yeah, I'll be making a video on how to depot the foundations soon in this palette right here. And also these came separate. The inserts came separate from the other palette. I just stuck it in there. Okay, next we have the color wheel, the popular famous color wheel by Terry Thomason. The thing that I liked about this color wheel because it shows the different undertones. We have red undertones, all kind of undertones in different skin types. So it kind of like makes it easier to learn the color wheel, which is I'm in the process of learning more about because I believe to be like a pro makeup artist, you have to know everything. So right now I'm in the process of learning more about the color wheel. Okay, and right here I have the e.l.f. eyeshadow palette in the color Rose Water. Y'all, this little thing was only $3. And when I say it is pigment, I'll be doing swatches soon in this video. And oh my God, it was for $3, y'all. You cannot beat that. So I would definitely recommend getting one. I got this one at Walmart and I think they have like two more. So yeah, I would definitely check it out if you're like a beginner makeup artist and you want to play in, some eyeshadow. I would definitely recommend this. Okay, y'all, and last but not least, I have the makeup brush belt. I thought this would be neat to have, because it kind of helps, to like when it comes to doing makeup, it helps to have your brushes on you instead of having to put them down and pick them back up, put them down and pick them back up. So I decided to purchase this. I think I got this off of Amazon. Yeah, I got it off of Amazon. It was very affordable, and the quality for the price is real good. And it also has adjustable straps. So yeah, I would definitely invest in this if you are a makeup artist or you just, like somewhere to put your makeup brushes. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my new makeup haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are an aspiring makeup artist, definitely check out these products. And each one of them was kind of affordable. So yeah, I would definitely recommend them. Thanks.